This is my contest entry to STILAJUNKIE07 animal ice cream inspired look. This is the look that I came up with, and this is the animal portion. My inspiration was Spud McKenzie, you know, the dog with the black circle on his eye. I'll put a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. And as far as the inspiration, like when I found out about the contest, for some reason that's what popped in my mind. Because I don't even like animals, especially dogs. Yeah, that's a different video. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I did the paw prints on this side, and this is my interpretation of his black patch, I guess you would say. Well, I hope you like. Good luck to all contestants. Thank you for having this contest. And as always, you be blessed, stay encouraged, and most of all, you stay beautiful. Peace out.
Is a house for love, and I've learned that it don't take much to build it up. Build it up, build it up, build it up. Two wrongs don't make it right. The night I kept you guessing. It's all I can do. And hope that maybe you'll come around again. I see that the wonder of devotion, it doesn't come free. Today I understand. I'll pay the price to be all the man you need. You know you got to be free. Go find your way. Go find your way. Find your way back to me. It doesn't come free.
doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that doggy's for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. If he has a dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggy will have a good home. How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that doggy's for sale. I read in the papers there are robbers with flashlights that shine in the dark. My love needs a doggy to protect him and scare them away with one bark. I don't want a bunny or a kitty. I don't want a parrot that talks. I don't want a bowl of little fishies. He can't take a goldfish for a walk. How much is that doggy in the window?